Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix EA download error. The error message is there is a problem with your download. Let's fix it guys. I'm gonna sharing three simple steps today's video. After doing these steps, your problem will be resolved guys. Let's jump straight into it guys. First step is to right click on the EA application, select open file location. In here EA launcher, right click on it, select properties. You just need to select the compatibility tab, check mark the run this program as an administrator. After checking it, click apply and OK guys. After doing this first step completed, let's move on to the second step guys. For that you just need to close out of here. Second step, to delete EA cache files. Cache files also cause of this issue guys. For deleting it, right click on the start icon, select run. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again, click on OK. In here you just need to delete EA desktop and EA launcher helper and electronic odds. You just need to delete three of it guys. These are cache files. Just want to right click on it and select delete guys. Electronic, these are not deleting guys. That the reason is background EA is running guys. For exiting it, click on this arrow icon, right click on the EA app and select exit. After exiting it, click on cancel and another time click on delete and delete it guys. Now it can be deletable. After deleting this cache, we have cleared EA's cache files guys. The step 3 is to complete missing DLL files on your computer guys. Another reason for this error may be the missing DLL files on your computer guys. This can also cause the issue guys. For downloading it, check my video description for the link. I given both link guys. First one is Microsoft Visual C++ and another one is DirectX guys. First thing, we just need to download Microsoft Visual C++. Microsoft C++ download, click on it. The latest updated version of Visual C++ distributable download, click on it. Scroll down guys, scroll down. If you are using 64-bit, download this guys. If you are using 32-bit, you just need to download the 86 guys. I'm using 64-bit, that's why I'm downloading this. And open another tab and search for DirectX guys. DIRECT DirectX. Click on the first link, Microsoft link. Scroll down guys, select your language and click on download. After downloading this, select the VC. We just downloaded the Visual C++. You just want to install it. For that, click on it and it's start opening. Click on open. After opening Microsoft Visual C++ installation, click on agree and install it. Click on yes. After installing setup successfully, close out of here and go to the downloaded DirectX. Click on it and select open. You just need to install the DirectX as well. Close the browser and install it DirectX. You can also check my video description for this website link guys. I will be given in my description. You just need to click on it and select the download option over there and install it guys. After installing it, wait for it until this installation done. After finishing installation complete, click on finish. After finishing these steps guys, go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.